This video shows how to configure the JB-199 karaoke player for single screen play mode. Single screen play mode means to use only one screen, which is usually a TV displaying the song lyrics. This is a simple setup where a user can enjoy karaoke with a TV and a remote control. JB-199 player has HDMI, VGA, and RCA composite connectors to connect to a single screen. We recommend using the HDMI for the best screen resolution. So connect the TV using the HDMI and also your sound system using the RCA audio output. Connect also a keyboard and mouse using USB or wireless USB connection. Turn on the TV and the audio system. Be sure to set the input of the TV to be HDMI. Now turn on the JB-199 player. Let the player boot up fully to the CAVS karaoke program. The program in the factory setting will boot to the 3D customer interface on the screen. Minimize the 3D customer interface. Next, double-click on the CDG screen that is behind to reduce the screen. If the double-click does not work, drag the CDG screen down with the mouse. Once the control panel is visible behind the CDG screen, click on the control panel. Go to the Tools followed by Setting. General Setting window will appear. First item on the top left corner is the Start eSongbook server. Leave it checked if you wish to use the eSongbook or mobile phone in conjunction with the JB-199 player. The eSongbook or mobile phone works in both single screen and dual screen play modes. Next, check the auto start in continuous mode if you wish the reserved songs to start playing automatically when the player is in continuous mode. This is for convenience when using a free version of the mobile phone app which does not have the power to start, stop, reserve, or cancel a song. Checking this option, when you reserve a song from a mobile phone, the song will start playing automatically. Note that the continuous mode is turned on or off by pressing the continuous button in the control panel. Next, the IP address shown is the IP address of the JB-199 player assigned by the network router which is connected. This IP address is needed when connecting an eSongbook or mobile phone. Next, uncheck the Enable 3D Customer Interface. This is a graphic version of the control panel that comes into play for dual screen play mode. You can also uncheck all sub-options to be tidy. Next, check or uncheck the Enable RX mode. This option is relevant to the bill acceptor being turned on or off when connected. Without the bill acceptor, this option only turns on or off the standby and select message on the CDG screen. Note that the standby and select message can be edited by typing in what you wish to show on the CDG screen on the right bottom corner. Next, check the Enable Smooth filter for lyrics. It makes the CDG graphic display of lyrics more smooth. For the next few options of pop-up windows for queue, advertisement, and secondary CDG screen, we refer you to the user manual of the JB-199. Next, for the display mode, check the full screen instead of windows. The full screen implies the single screen play mode. The windows means the dual screen play mode. For the rest of the options, we again refer you to the user manual. They apply to both single and dual screen play modes, and their setting depends on your preference. We are done with the settings. Click OK and exit out of the general setting window. Next, in the control panel, load a playlist into My Server if it is not loaded already. To do so, go to the bottom left section to highlight My Server. Check for a playlist appearing on the bottom right section. If none, click on the Load button and select the playlist, which in this video is the master playlist. Next, grab the remote control and press the menu button. There are different models of remote control issued to the JB-199 3. Regardless, look for the menu button and press. You will see that the CDG screen comes forward in the screen. Again, use the remote control to press a song number and press play. With the remote control, you can also reserve, cancel, change the tempo, the pitch, and etc. For selecting a correct song, the user will need to refer to a paper songbook or an e-songbook. Note that when playing a song, you may experience no sound, although your sound system is turned on and correctly connected. This likely happens due to the HDMI connection to the TV hijacking the sound also to the TV. Press the menu button on the remote control to reduce the CDG screen. Go down to the taskbar using the mouse. Go to the sound and right-click. Go to Open Sound Setting. Switch back the sound to speakers from HDMI. For instruction on how to connect and use the eSongbook, please go to the video How to Connect eSongbook. The keyboard and mouse can now be removed from the JB-199. Use the power button in the front panel of the JB-199 to turn on or off the player. After booting up, press the menu button on the remote control to bring up the CDG screen. This ends our video instruction on how to configure the JB-199-3 in a single screen play mode.